Where does the name for Pentreffwrndan come from? So today I'm in Flintshire, I'm in the town of Flint, and I'm in an area called Pentreffwrndan. Let's get into the name. The name Pentreffwrndan can be broken down into two parts. Pentre means a village or a hamlet and comes from pen, meaning the top or head, and tref, meaning a town. The second element, Fwrndan, was originally recorded as Fwdan in all early forms of the name before 1788. And Fwdan means trouble, agitation or strife. Over time it was reinterpreted as Fwrndan, meaning a fiery furnace, which is remarkably appropriate given what archaeologists later found here, but that the people living here at the time would probably not have known. Now that Roman lead smelter will have been behind me where this thicket is now. They'll have taken the lead from the mines up in the mountains behind Flint, smelted it here and then taken it down to the sea, while they'll have then taken it to Dewat, Chester, to probably be then traded further afield. The Roman settlement at Pentre Bridge has been known since at least the 16th century. It covers an area of around 400 by 300 metres near the Dee estuary and was likely involved in processing lead ore brought from Helkin Mountain, about 5 kilometres to the west. Stamped tiles from Legio Regenti, the 20th Roman legion, suggest a military presence, possibly an official known as a Procurator Metallorum, responsible for overseeing lead production. Archaeological excavations over the past 2 centuries have uncovered furnaces, clay pits, lead piping, painted plaster, and the remains of stone-built structures, evidence of a substantial and well-organised settlement. Human burials found nearby suggest a long period of occupation, extending from the late 1st century through to the 4th century AD. Further work in the 20th century revealed a complex of buildings, covering at least 40 by 20 metres, occupied between AD 120 and 260, with several later additions. The discovery of Roman roads, industrial waste and lead working sites confirm the area's role as a major industrial centre within Roman Britain. So the name means the town of strife, but then reinterpreted to mean the town of the furnace. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.